Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Microsoft Word. And in today's video, I will show you how to simply flip an image to different direction in MS Word without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and select your image. Having select your image, next thing you want to do is to come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on picture format. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and come to the sidebar right here. Go ahead and click on here. Then you can start to rotate in different angles. So you can see this is 90 degree and this is 90 degree again, and this is vertical, and then this is horizontal. Then you can check on more rotation options right here, which allow you to do custom rotation just like so. So we can go ahead and use this option right here, and then it's going to be reflected. Everything depends on what exactly we want to achieve. You can also adjust the width of this angle right here. Then you can also adjust the rotation degree here. So once you're satisfied with all the settings, go ahead and hit on OK, and then you are going to get the result based on your input. I'm going to press Ctrl Z just to come back to the previous. Then we can come back to the rotation pin right here again. We can flip in different direction. We can flip it to this particular direction. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use Microsoft Word, consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.